Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. You know, there are some issues with my X account and my Instagram account, but because of some changes, so I'm not able to post now at the moment. So I'm forced to keep you guys updated here on YouTube, and I see something happening now on this Sunday morning, afternoon, evening, where you are. So just let's dive in, because the thing is, I see a discount respected on the 786 for Ethereum. Same situation is playing out for BTC, and dominance starts dropping. So we're entering week 3 of the month, so we can expect volume, as I told you in my previous video. So guys, quick update. Let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what happened here actually is when you go to the daily time frame, you can see that we came for the 786 on this swing low here, I think. Let me check. No, we didn't. It's the 618 on this one. Literally the 618 got respected. If we go to the lower time frames, you can see that we created a shark fin, bullish divergence, 786 respected, and now we see upside. The same thing also happened for Ethereum, shark fin, 786 upside. So when you go to the dominance chart, you can see the dominance starts dropping, so it can go very fast from here on, actually, on this Sunday. So discount market for altcoins, you can make crazy gains the coming days, right? For example, I'm expecting Doge to come at least to what is it? Let's say 24 cents. That's actually the 786 on the daily time frame, but this thing can go snap very fast actually. The shitty thing is I cannot keep you guys updated on X, but it is what it is, right? So guys, quick update. If you want to trade this altcoins, go to Blowfin, the first link in description. If you want to follow my signals, my daily trades, join the crypto gainers, sign up to Blowfin, send your information that you did it, or send a screenshot, and you will get premium access for free for the Discord group, right? So guys, again, crazy bullishness seeing happening now here on this chart. Looks very nice, and that's a little bit it for today, right? So guys, quick update on altcoins. BTC discount, bullish reversal respected on the 786 and the 618 on the daily time frame. Expect pumpage for the coming days. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.